English. Hello guys, welcome back with my Roblox. Today we're playing hide from Grandma. Brother!
If you get sick, well, clap, bro. Grandma is still a
This game's so scary.
Yeah,
What's
Grandma
next?
is not asleep. Let's go. Broom, broom.
Let's go. Pwede ka matago sa line na kuan?
Yeah. Of course, bro.
Mama! Bossy Popo! Play again.
Yung patay ka?
Spectate.
Did you die? Anong pag-revive?
I don't know. Play again. Play again. This game's so scary.
Sige, atro-atrohan sa kumisa.
I don't know. We must stay each other. We must stay each other. Why is it so fast though?
Si mama.
Mamacita oyster sauce.
Dila ko niya nga mo.
Why is he so fast?
Basi nga niya siya.
Why is he so fast? I'm scared. I'm scared. Look, he's so fast.
Paggamot sa ay. What are you doing? Mama, kita papalita mo sumulito sa palara.
Hurry up! Die already, die! Where's the shift lock? Shift. I want shift lock. Die, please.
Bing chilling. Hey, yo, grandma is here.
I don't have money.
What are you doing?
May shift lock. Yeah, may ako.
Bawal.
No, please, die! Why is he smiling?
No, huwag mo ba isipan? Be, matumbak lao. Agay ko, ako but.
Is grandma I show speed?
Huwag dali na tayo, nagpan kita, speedrun. It's about drive, it's about power, I should speed is not a power.
What? I'll pick you up. Nah, I'm lagging. I'm gonna go back.
Just in case.
Nah.
Regen kita, nasa daya bila.
No. Uy. Slag.
Ano?
Lag.